Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a few steps to increase the quality of the audio in our video. And you're going to notice that the video that has been edited is on our timeline. And you may notice that there is background noise in the recording that you want to have removed. And if you do that, and what we can do is we can remove the background noise using a feature in Camtasia. You'll notice that there are a couple of features. First, there is an enable noise removal feature, removing clipping and clicks. There's also volume leveling. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at noise removal. And basically what we want to do is we want to look at our audio file and we want to find 1 or 2 seconds where we can hear the background noise. And basically what we can do is we can take a portion of this video. We're going to stretch out our cursor. We're going to stretch it out on the actual audio file. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to our audio menu and we're going to click enable noise removal. And what that will do is that will take this portion of the background noise and it will remove it from the rest of the recording. So if you know that you have background noise in this area and you want to have it removed, all you need to do is to find a section of it, highlight it, then click enable noise removal so that that background noise can be removed. What you can also do is you can remove any clipping or clicks that will remove additional background noise that may interfere with your message. And then the other thing that we can do is we can use volume leveling. Now, if you have a number of different parts of your video and the volume is not consistent, what you can do is you can enable volume leveling. And what that will do with the audio file is it'll make sure that there is a minimum amount of variation between the volume in different places. And what you can do is you can click enable audio leveling. You'll see that the file will look different. And it's a good idea to then listen to the file. Then you'll be able to tell if the volume leveling has actually done something for your recording or if it hasn't. You can then disable it by unticking the enable volume leveling box. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.